Hi, my name is Adam Griffin, and I'm going to demonstrate for you some longitudinal wave generators that I've created from scratch, and also provide some killer apps that can be used for. First, I'll go ahead and turn on the generator and then the power supply. There's an amplifier right here. Notice that this lamp just turned on. You do that again, turn off the power supply, turn it on. Now what's happening here? What's happening is that this, let me adjust the frequency a little, okay, and tune it so this lamp's brightest. This is a transmitter. The transmitter is being powered by this amplifier. The amplifier is being powered by this signal generator. The interesting thing about this system is we have one wire connected here. I just disconnected transmitter, one wire. This one wire is made from a phone jack with 4 wires soldered together. It's just for convenience. There's nothing special about it. It turns this into a single conductor. When I connect this conductor to this transmitter, there's enough electric field right now from the transmitter to light this bulb. The receiver is lit up. See, this receiver goes through this wire. Let me try to reel in this wire so you can see what I'm talking about. I call this a OneWire. See, there's one wire connecting these transmitter and receiver. And look, the receiver's lit up. So I don't need this bulb, but look, it's actually part of the tuning. I can get it to light up by changing the frequency again, see? So this receiver is picking up energy and lighting these LEDs through one wire. Let's see if I disconnect this, it goes out. This other circuitry on here is to make this thing into a charger for a cell phone, which is another application. Maybe that's not a killer app, but it's fine. The application I have in mind for this is the transmitter would be connected to the skin of a rocket, and multiple receivers are picking up energy from within the rocket. We've just cut down the number of wires by a significant amount to transfer energy and data. Notice this one too. This is a separate system that's not even connected. See how these LEDs are also lit up? This is harvesting energy. Let me adjust the tuning again. This receiver is not connected to this transmitter receiver system, yet it's still lit up. So you can see there's a lot of applications for this. Now let's look at something here. This is the receiver. I showed you how it's connected, and the LEDs continue to be on bright. Even when I touch this, the LEDs don't turn off. You can take this quite a distance. I'm at the end of the travel. This should not work, but it does work. And I've learned how to make the canonical spherical device antenna, Scatteron, work as a pancake. I've done that by incorporating some technology in here that makes an improvement, because who wants a globe on their longitudinal wave transmitter? So let's shift focus from this first system, and let's turn off the first system. The second system is still running. The second system consists of this transmitter board. Instead of using a higher power transmitter, this just uses a very low power 5-volt supply. This contains everything that I just showed you, except in a small format on the circuit board. Can you please zoom in on this more? So this circuit board, notice, is talking to this computer. This transmitter is tuning itself. And what it's doing is it's looking to tune to the receiver frequency and light up the receiver LEDs. This represents a platform that we can program the longitudinal wave. I'll look forward to discussing this more with the technical group, and this is an invite for people to call and talk to me about it, to invest. You can reach me at 425-420-0997. Until then, this is Adam Griffin. Thank you.